how to install a Nilight H7 LED bulbs on this BMW. It's very simple. You have this cap. I already installed it on the other side. You really don't need any tools except maybe flat head screwdriver, maybe, but even then it's not necessary. So very easy. You remove this cap, it unscrews as you see it, just counterclockwise until it stops basically, and it starts lifting up. If you have a lot of dirt, remove the dirt so you don't put any dirt inside there. Next step is to remove the bulb. Right there is the bulb. So right there is the bulb. Right there. That's the plug. You can remove the plug first. It's hard for me to show you and record at the same time because my hand's gonna be on the inside. So those tabs here, you can push them slightly to get the bulb out with the hand or with the screwdriver. So the removal is kind of straightforward. Best way to do it, your screwdriver or with no screwdriver. Push on one of those tabs, but can't even show you. You push on one of those tabs slightly down and pull on the bulb itself and it will come out. It's loose already. And you pull it out, and then what you want to do is disconnect the bulb from the connector and install your Nilight. This is where a screwdriver could be helpful, but not necessarily. I did without screwdriver. Just take your time and pull on it gently and careful so you don't swing it too hard and break the bulb. You don't want to have any glass. Installation is straightforward. Make sure your bulb is H7 is not horizontal but in vertical position. It does not matter which way, up or down, as long as it installs and secure. We'll put the plug to the sides so it's out of the way. We'll install it. You check, make sure it's not loose. If it's not loose, if it's loose, push on some of those tabs upward a little bit, slightly, and you're good to go. Like for example, this tab right here, this one right here, or that one, you push either down or upward just to make it a little bit snug, and you're good to go. Okay, now take a plug, the connector, and install it. That's it. Now we're gonna test the light, making sure the connector is installed correctly. I don't think it matters, but we'll just double check. So there you go, it's installed and it's working. Same thing there, it's installed and it's working. And then you take your cover and you put it back. Put the cover back and you twist it again. You twist it, you check, make sure it's fit, snug, not loose, and you're done. And that's how you install H7s on your vehicle. Oh. Slightly higher, so let's see if LEDs can improve that. So these are low beam LEDs by a different company, I don't even remember. And these are the high beams by Nilight. Well, here is the high beams with H7s and Nilights, low beams